Recognized for quality, precision, and safety for more than 2 decades, SawStop is North America's #1 selling cabinet saw, combining the latest in innovation and proprietary saw stopping technology to protect thousands from serious injury. Now we're building on our long-standing tradition and delivering unsurpassed safety and performance with our smallest, most portable table saw yet. Introducing the SawStop 10-inch Compact Table Saw. Engineered to excel in a range of conditions, the SawStop 10-inch Compact Table Saw brings unparalleled power, precision, and portability to every job, making it the first and only choice for your professional-grade projects wherever work takes you. Rugged and durable, the coated aluminum tabletop and sturdy steel frame are built to perform at the highest level, featuring a 24-tooth 10-inch blade that offers superb depth of cut for maximum ripping across a variety of hardwood and trim materials, and a zero-clearance table insert for improved cut quality and safety. The 24.5-inch rip capacity Rack and Pinion Fence delivers exceptional cut capacity, ensuring cut stays smooth, square, and accurate, with a built-in high and low shelf that allows for greater flexibility and versatility across a wide range of cuts and materials. For those craving perfectly angled cuts, our quick tilt single-hand bevel with micro adjustment makes for quick and easy blade adjustments down to a single degree. An onboard storage compartment built into the frame keeps tools and accessories close, offering enough space to store everything you need to adjust and maintain your saw and keep projects moving forward. At SawStop, safety is our top priority. That's why every SawStop saw comes with our one-of-a-kind active injury mitigation, or AIM, safety system that both stops and drops the spinning blade below the table on contact with skin to minimize the risk of serious injury. Once a brake activation occurs, changing the blade and brake is both easy to access and simple to do, allowing you to get back to work quickly. You can also switch to bypass mode in the event you need to deactivate the SawStop safety feature to test for and cut conductive materials like metal and pressure-treated wood. Lightweight and portable with ergonomic handles for easy transport, the 10-inch Compact Table Saw is small enough to travel anywhere, yet powerful enough to tackle the biggest residential and commercial projects. Our optional stand, sold separately, delivers much-needed work stability via adjustable legs, locking ergonomic handles, and non-skid rubber feet, and folds up flat for convenient storage. Safe, professional grade, and portable, the SawStop 10-inch Compact Table Saw is the perfect addition to your tool arsenal. For full details and product information, including links to our full line of SawStop saws and accessories, visit SawStop.com today.